Hey guys, today I'm back with my last video in my mixing series of the week, and I'll be mixing all of my brown and nude polishes together. So like before, I mixed a couple of drops of each colour into a cup until it was filled enough for me to put it in the bowl. I've had so much fun doing this series, however I will warn you that if you do try this at home, make sure you do it in a well ventilated room, because I always paint my nails and I'm used to the fumes, but this even made me go a little lightheaded, so be careful and open those windows. I predict that the colour will be a light brown, so let's see what happens. So mixing the colours, and it came out as a real soil brown, which again I falsely predicted. After bottling, I applied 2 coats to the nail, and it was okay. It's not my favourite, but it's a nice brown. The last colour in this collection, I decided to call it Brandy, You're a Fine Girl by Looking Glass, because that is my favourite song on the second soundtrack. If I had to choose my favourite polish that I'd made so far out of this collection, I definitely have to go for my yesterday's video, which was Hooked on a Feeling. Just that purple, it got me real good. And there you go, the mixing series is over. Please let me know in the description box, out of all the colours I created, which is your favourite. And I'll see you next week back with more nail art. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe are good. Thanks so much for watching, bye!